You still home?
Show us,
I didn't see
baby.
that message. Do your thing. Here's the glasses. Look.
Get the glasses. There they are.
There are the glasses.
That's what you told me no. Can I get
Have at it. But they're getting fuel before they're away, don't they?
He's very obedient.
You can do it. You can do it. You gonna get the glasses?
Come on, girly.
There they are.
She gets stage fright a little bit.
She did it before.
No, you don't want them.
That's because she wasn't being recorded. You did it. Yeah, you did it. Show us. Show us.
She may not be able to get the glasses because you told her no.
Like you do, huh?
Get the truck.
Get anything. Rock a little bit there.
Look at you.
You gotta rock around the clock.
Getting mobile.
Yeah.
Keep going, little girl. Keep going.
There she goes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Power gear.
You still gonna get these two?
She said, what am I, a hoarder? I need all the things in the world.
Oh, I see.
Yes, she does. She's thinking about it. There's Maddie.
She's going after Maddie now.
That's okay.
We'll do a side crawl.
She's just going to pivot a little bit.
There she goes. She's gonna rock a little bit.
Oh, she's going backwards. She's going backwards.
Make sure she doesn't fall backwards and her head on the table.
She's like roly-poly, isn't she?
Uh-huh.
She likes that little truck.
Do you like that little truck? Colorful. Very.
That's a tow truck.
Are you sure about that?
See, it's got the little tow thing on the back. Little hook.
The hitch.
Get ready. Is my son still outside?
Pop missed all the things that you did. I didn't see him.
No, I was sitting right there watching.
Yeah.
She did it like what? 3 crawls?
She's not
3
done yet.
steps.
She's not done yet.